Okay guys, just finished the presentation and ran pretty well. Anyway, yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan and today, not sure what we're doing today, but I'm just gonna do like a day in the life type of video. So I'm gonna show you guys my meals, my training, my daily walks, my French toast, and yeah, just take you guys through the entire day. Anyway, it's literally 12:09. You can't see that because my camera doesn't focus. And I still have not eaten breakfast, which could only mean one thing. We gotta go eat breakfast right now. Yeah. Also, one more thing is that today I'm expecting a pretty big and important package in the mail because I ordered something last week and I'm so excited about this. Like I've been having sleepless nights thinking about this. So before we do anything, we gotta go eat, so let's go. So if for whatever reason you still don't know how to make my anabolic French toast, it is very simple. All you need is some egg whites, 300 milliliters. Then you'll need some regular ass bread, 4 slices, 2 packets of Splenda right over here, some vanilla extract, some baking powder, a pinch of salt, and some cinnamon. Mix it all together, put it on the pan, and there you go, anabolic French toast.
I just feel so good.
Okay guys, so it's already 1:08, so super late start to the day, but we got our meal right over here. Gonna eat this, probably eat another meal, and then I'm gonna go over to the gym. Question, do you guys eat your meals sitting down or standing up? Lately I've been doing them a lot standing up. I don't know why, but just do.
I just feel so good, good, good. Oh, 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 I just feel
Alright guys, not sure if you can tell or not, but it is currently raining, so yeah, hopefully, I mean, obviously my camera's getting wet right now, but yeah, just really quick guys. So what I've been doing pretty much on a daily basis is I go on a really long walk. This basically ensures that I get enough steps in every single day. I aim for about at least 10,000 steps every single day, and like if you're the type of person that just hates doing cardio, you don't like running or whatever, honestly just go on a really nice long walk, get your steps in, and like it's helped me stay relatively lean during this bulk. So definitely recommend to just stay active, especially when you're bulking. So yeah. Okay, so this may or may not turn into a full day of eating as well, but anyway, we got some chicken cooking up right here. If you could smell this room right now, you'd just be impressed because it smells delicious in here. So all I added was just some roasted garlic and pepper seasoning and just some normal garlic salt. So that's pretty much it, and it just smells delicious. So once it's cooked up, I'll be adding like 300 grams of this cooked rice, just microwave that, and then that's gonna be our pre-workout meal today because it's already 3 o'clock guys, like it is late. Just finished eating and now it's time to go to the gym, hit our chest. So excited, let's go. You like doing that, don't you? Yeah, what if I zoom in on your face?
Did you zoom in on me?
A little bit. Last week.
nice. When you're like getting up, you're like zooming.
Yeah. Crazy, tell me.
We're pumped, right? We're pumped.
Yeah, we're
you know
pumped.
how your hands get jittery
Yeah.
and shit? You know, if you want to get serious into it, you know those people have like those things, right? And then the camera just flows nicely. You just do
Oh,
that.
yeah,
And
it's
so,
like a gimbal,
Yeah, yeah. And then it just
It keeps it steady.
yeah, those are sick.
Okay guys, so what we have here is a package, and inside of this package is something I am so excited about. And now, I don't know what to do right now. Should I just open the package and then tell you guys what it is? Or should I tell you guys what it is now and then open the package? But if I think about it, if I open the package before I tell you guys what it is, you guys already know what it is after I open the package. So should I just tell you guys right now? But if I tell you guys right now, then it's not a surprise anymore. So what do I do? Oh, I need a knife or something to open this. I'll be right back. Do you have a knife?
A knife? No.
Okay. Let's do it. Oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but what I just ordered is, okay, just to give you guys some context and just a bit of a backstory. So I've been lifting weights since I was about, seriously since I was 15, and like I fell in love with just the squats, bench, and deadlift. Like I love those exercises so much. And in my first probably like 3 or 4 years of lifting, I never used any equipment. So I never used like a belt around my waist or wrist straps or sleeves or whatever. I just used just nothing. But only ever since like this past year or something, I've noticed that by wearing a belt and like wrist straps and stuff, my lifts have felt a lot better. So for example, wearing like a lifting belt around my waist when I do squats, deadlifts, or bench press really helps brace my core against something, which means I can push more weight. And again, using wrist straps when I do any like heavy rows, Romanian deadlifts or deadlifts, I feel like my grip isn't in the equation as much. And so over these past couple of months, I've just kind of used the equipment at the gym, which by the way sucks. It is so bad. It gets used by so many people. I don't even think people clean it at all. It's just people use it and put it back in the box. So it's kind of gross, and it also sucks, and it's super old. So with that said, I kind of like had enough of using all the used equipment at the gym. So I decided to invest in myself, invest in my further lifting career. So what I decided to do is order a Inzer lever belt, 10 millimeters, size medium I think, and a pair of wrist straps. Okay, so I ordered all the stuff of like a Canadian website, and the brand of the belt itself is from Inzer. Not sure if you guys have heard of that before, but it's apparently like one of the best belts out there. So I got this little note right here and it says, "Congratulations, you have just purchased the finest competition and training belt in the world." Okay, so it comes with screws, so like I'm not a technician or like whatever people who use tools. I'm not like a tool guy, so I got some screws here. I got the belt, like a 2 and 2 should like come together, but if I somehow get this to work, I'll be really proud of myself, so let's figure it out. Put the belt around your waist and estimate which holes must be used for an accurate fit. Lay the belt on the table and place the buckle main body on top so that the holes in the belt line up with the holes in the buckle main body. Carefully lift the belt without moving the buckle main body. Put the rear plate in place. Insert a machine screw through the rear plate and the leather, and then twist the screw clockwise into the threaded holes in the buckle main body. Now that this first screw is in place, do the same with the second screw. Tighten both screws. Put the belt on. It should be as tight as you want it to be during heavy lifting. If it isn't tight enough or if it is too tight, take apart and start over. Many moments later, she is on, nice and tight. It kind of feels like a seatbelt. I feel so like safe and protected right now. It's a weird feeling, but overall, like I must say, it's pretty uncomfortable right now, especially like around my hips. I feel like I gotta wear it in a bit more. I feel like I should probably just wear this all day long, so it kind of like gets used to my body and kind of gets loose, because it's very stiff right now. But oh, it feels so good, man. It feels so good. Again, just a disclaimer for you guys, especially if you are new to lifting or only been lifting for a couple years, you do not need to invest in any fancy equipment. Don't even bother buying a new belt or wrist straps or knee sleeves or whatever. Don't even worry about that. Just focus on building a strong, solid foundation of your squat, bench, and deadlift. Try to progressively get strong at them, and once you're at a high enough level, you can start investing in a bit more gear to further your progress. But for beginners, don't even think about it. Just focus on enjoying lifting and actually enjoying the process, because if you don't enjoy lifting, you don't see yourself doing it in the future, it's probably a waste of money buying all this gear, honestly. So yeah, overall really happy with this, and I'm gonna put them to use tomorrow, because tomorrow happens to be a leg workout. So we got some heavy deadlifts, got some front squats as well, so super excited for that. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo guys, where you at?
I'm on my way, yo.
Alright, how long?
Probably I'm looking for my freaking shoes, dog. Like 5 minutes or so.
It's all good. I just pulled up right now, so.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, it's okay. Are you doing deadlifts today?
I'm doing the list today, yeah.
Okay, let's do it. I'll just warm up real quick and then I'll see you there.
Oh, alright, yes.
Alright, see you, man. Let's do it!
Attention. I got some things I want to mention. You listening?
Fact check, yeah. Back in your tape deck. Don't wreck. Head banging in the Tesla, that's breakneck. On the road, up pretty fat women and fat checks.
Attention.
Last test, is it true that you ain't with Taz? Yes. Turn up the bass now, go. I need the whole earth to hear my flow. Yeah. Act like you know. 1, 2, 3, we been here before. How it get so dark, that gun when you get too small. Getting high in it and pour. Contact high for my let's go.
Nice.
I should use my chalk. My hands are
Chalk?
a bit slippery.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Just gotta keep going.
Oh shit. Let's go. 365.
This is like my 1 rep max, so if I get this, that's like a PR.
PR? Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Woo. Go. Up. There we go. Woo.
Shit,
That's
that felt
good.
good. That felt good, man.
That's good
Yeah,
shit.
how did that look?
That looked good, man.
Man, no, pretty easy.
That looked pretty easy, man.
Shit. Yo, should I go up? 4 plates? No.
Pushing it.
No, that's too much.
Maybe an extra like 10 pounds on each, maybe.
Yeah,
2 or 5 pounds.
365. I'm really happy with that. That's like an all-time PR.
Change, break the chains. Phoenix, I rise out of these flames. No more games. Beauty is pain, so I take thanks I get. This all the thanks I get. Need pressure, rebirth, cut the tether. This all the thanks I get. This all the thanks I get. Separation. Me and my ex still, and that's reparations. I think we need to make a whole new declaration. Make every cop killer come with a side of bacon. Nightmares of me trying to wake him. I wonder if King had that kind of patience. Allah, please follow my fragrance. Hate them, but I won't let evil pace into my heart like it's vacant. I feel love. Is it sadness that's raining?
Holy shit. You gotta make fun of me like that.
I reign. We ain't the same. We reign. No pressure. Just pleasure. This all the things I get. This all the things I get. Need pressure. Rebirth, cut the tether. This all the things I get. This all the things I get.
First ever workout done with my brand new belt, and I must say, okay, first of all, obviously, like, it helped because you guys saw me hit that PR, but I don't know if you guys could tell or not, it was actually like a bit too loose on me. So like, I measured it wearing my hoodie yesterday, but I didn't realize that when I take my hoodie off, it gets a bit looser. So when I took my hoodie off, it was actually really loose. Anyway, as you guys saw, like, I did make a PR, 365 on a deadlift, something I've never done before, so I'm really happy with that. And honestly, felt pretty easy too, like 4 plates coming soon, so really stoked, excited about that, and overall super happy with this investment. Like, honestly, like, I'll have this for the rest of my life. Definitely a great investment in myself and in my future lifting career. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here because I have a feeling that it's getting way too long. So for whatever reason you guys managed to stick around and watch the entire video, I highly appreciate you guys so much. I really do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I'd highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yes, turn up the bass now, go. I need the whole earth to hear my flow. Yeah, act like you know. 1, 2, 3, we been here before. I would get so dark.